Hi guys, I'm here to introduce another new product from Apex Tactical for the Springfield Hellcat pistol. Today we're going to go over the kit contents and installation of the frame pin kit for the Hellcat. This kit includes a trigger pivot pin, a locking block pin, a Sear Housing Pin, and a Sear Housing Pin Safety. You'll notice every one of these pins has an extra annular ring on it. This is to identify the Apex pin versus the factory pins. You'll also notice that these are black oxide coated. We'll also have hard chrome available. To install these pins, it's a really straightforward process. The only tool you need is a 3/32 inch pin punch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press the pins out one at a time and install them at the same time. So on the trigger pivot pin, I'm going to push that guy out, pull it out the other side. I'll go and install the trigger pivot pin. I'm going to install that one from the right side of the frame, make sure it captures the trigger, push across, and make sure I'm capturing. I may have to move my slide lock lever up a little bit, kind of capture it. I'll push against the table to seat it. At this point, it looks like I'm seated in. I'll turn it over and make sure I got my pin just below flush, and you'll feel it lock into the spring, and we're all set there. The next one, I'll push out. It doesn't matter from which side or which way it goes in. Take out the locking block pin. I'll replace it with the Apex pin. Again, push it all the way across. Make sure that guy seats. And I'll use the back of the pin punch in this case. You can feel it lock into that spring. Those are all set. Same thing on the Sear housing. I'll push that guy out. Come on now. Push this guy out of here. I'm going to pull it out the backside. I'll take our new pin. I'll install it. Now I'll take my hammer and give it a little tap. Get that guy down. Make sure it's sub flush on both sides, and we're all set.